This video, what I have here is a set of solar lights, and this is a 2-pack, 200 lumens solar lights. And just opening them up here, you know, you get a little set of instruction. Solar pathway lights, you know, I always love my pathway lights. And just kind of like going over them here, they are ABS plastic, all of this right here. You got a 5-volt, 300 milliamp solar panel that's on them. The battery is a 2,200 milliamp battery, lithium ion, 2 LEDs inside the lights. Colors, there's warm, then there's a white light, then a warm light. Solar charging is about 6 hours, which is about all day. Working time's 8 hours. Long press button 3 to turn on. You see all the things you get right here. You know what? I've installed a lot of these solar lights, and I know what's going on. You get some hardware where you could screw them in. There's the bases right there, and here's the little extensions. That's the top, I guess, right there. Let me just dump the whole bag out, the whole box out right here. These things are actually bigger than what I thought they would be. Look at the size of my hand here, and you see them right there. Let me take them out of the package, and then I'll show you and set them up, and I'll show you what you get. Okay, everybody, got them out of the box here. There's a couple ways of doing it. If you want to screw these directly down, use that base and the mounting hardware. I'm just going to stick them in the ground, and you can go higher with them with this extension right here, and they give you the little extension piece there, or you could go lower with them. You see how they stick in right there, and they run along the edge. Let me set them up on my little driveway over here, and then we'll let them charge overnight. Then I'll come back and we'll see what they look like at night. So let's go ahead and set these things up now, because I think they look great. All right, here they are, everybody. I got them there. I've installed them. I'm along my little driveway area here. Check out how they shine. Because it's this like shape right here, it gives a very cool illumination of feeling like a 6 to 7 foot circle ring around the things, and you can see how they shine right there. I let them charge all day. I have some smaller ones going right there, but what I did, I wanted them along my driveway right here. These things look awesome. Let me just take it off right here. I'll show you how they go. So there's a LED light right there, and you see how you can change the color. If I want to do it be like a softer light, see how that's like a soft light, and that's more like a warm light. That's like a soft light. Let me change them both to warm, because I think I like that a little better. It just looks a little cleaner. And all you do is mash the button on the bottom, and they're all set. So yeah, those should last all night long. You let them charge. It said it takes about 6 hours for them to charge, and then once they're up, they last all night long, and they'll go out in the morning. So yeah, once you set them, you forget them, and they just stay here. These things look awesome. These are some of the coolest lights I've had so far. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the, the driveway / patio lights / walkway lights, solar. See y'all in the next video.